So now we're going to look at composing an email. So to start your email, hit compose, and a little screen will pop up in the bottom right-hand corner. By clicking these two arrows over here, you are able to expand that message. If you're writing a little bit lengthier of a message, you may want to do this. Okay, so in the to part is where we type in our recipients. Your contacts will populate, as well as the Neoman directory if you go ahead and type. Now, if you want to send it not just to an individual, but a group, you would type the name of the group that you created, and then all the email addresses in that group will populate. To CC someone in on that, you need to have your cursor flashing in the to pane or the recipient pane of the email. That's where CC and BCC will appear. And what's nice about that is they will go ahead and search your contacts as well. And also search the Neoman contacts if they're not added to a group or your contacts. You would type in something for your subject line, and then of course this is where you type your message. If you have set a signature, it'll automatically populate as you hit compose. It'll just be there. You don't have to do insert signature, it's just there. And at the very bottom here, where you see the A, these are all your formatting options for your email. You have the paperclip. This is where you would attach files from your computer. It opens up your computer to find something. You could also attach an image, and then you would just choose image to upload, and it'll go to your computer where your images are. You can search for an image. Here, this is how you insert a hyperlink. Say you want teachers to go to a website or fill out a Google form. You would simply copy and paste the web address that you would like them to go to. And then what's nice is instead of them seeing that whole web address, you could choose the text you would like to display. So I'm going to demonstrate that. We'll just take this document I have that I've previously used. I highlighted the address at the top. I right click and hit copy, or you could use Control-C on your keyboard. Go back to my email, hit paste or Control-V, and it automatically will populate the web URL under text to display. So say we just want to change that so they can only see whatever it is you choose to name it. You will click OK, and that will go into your email. So instead of them seeing the address, they'll see a description of what it's going to take them to. Okay, at the bottom here, if you would like, you could it automatically saves it. If you want to discard the draft, you just hit the trash can. And if you want, you could save it somewhere. Your labels are the different folders, so you would be able to save whatever you would, if it's something you want to just put in for later, that's where you would save it. You could also request a read receipt from here. And when that person reads the email, you will get a notification that the email has been read. Print, spell check, and then plain text mode, it's an option, but that's not something you need to worry about. Okay, once you're all done with your email, you will hit send, and that's how you send an email in Gmail.